Okay. Boleh ke tu? Alright, the definition, okay. Guys online boleh ke tu? Boleh dapat? Senyap. Boleh ke tu? Alright.
Boleh.
Okay, so why is it important to have time organization? Kenapa penting sangat ni time organization ni? Why? Why? Okay, betul? Lagi? Sama? Apa? Okay, sama? Come on guys, pagi-pagi bagi sel-sel otak tu berhubung lagi. Alright. Time management, okay. Pengurusan masa is important for both your personal life and your career goals. Dua-dua sama penting kan? Okay. Lagi? So some of the reasons why it is so important. Okay, the first one apa tu? The first one? Okay. The first point apa tu? The first point apa tu? Apa dah tu? Alright. When we talk about time kan, masa, it's a special resource, okay, that you cannot store or save for later use. Okay, tak boleh simpan dulu masa untuk guna kemudian, tak boleh. Okay, once you've got 24 hours a day, habis 24 hours, then habis. Okay, then you've got another 24 hours. Okay, so you've got to make the best out of it. Kan? Kena gunakan sebaik mungkin. Right. Everyone has equally the same exact time. I have 24 hours, you guys have 24 hours, anyone else got 25 hours ada ke? 25 jam sehari? No. Okay. Okay, tak ada kan? Alright, lagi, apa lagi? Okay, so time not well used cannot be retrieved. You cannot track back your time. It all become, masa yang berlalu dah jadi apa tu? Kenangan lah, jadi memori dah. Okay, alright, boleh? Okay, boleh? Lagi, second, apa tu? Point number second, apa tu? Most people, kita lah, okay, think that we have so much to do. Kita ada banyak sangat benda nak buat and we don't have enough time. Betul tak? Tak cukup masa guys. Okay, lagi. Alright, so we tend to blame lah. Kita akan mula salahkan lack of time lah, tak cukup masa, tak sempat for our bad finance, okay, stress, bad relationships. Lagi, not exercising. Pernah tak macam ni? Selalu tak ni? Selalu kan? Mungkin selalu berlaku kan ni? Alright, tak cukup masa, kenapa tak exercise? Tak cukup masa, tak sempat, busy. Contoh. Okay, contoh. Alright. Apa tu? Alright. So wise time management can help you, alright, find the time for what you desire. Okay. Dia boleh cari masa untuk apa yang you perlukan dan apa yang you kena buat. Okay, dapat ke tu? Boleh? Alright, lagi. Number 3, point number 3 apanya? Number 3? Yang online okey ke tu? Okey kan? Okey. Number 3 apanya? Number 3? Betul. Okey. Nak dapat sesuatu dalam hidup ni, you guys need time. You guys perlukan masa. Okay, nak mencapai punya goals, punya vision, punya mission, you need time. Okay? If you just wait for extra time to appear, you just tunggu masa yang tepat, tunggu extra masa, then bilanya benda tu? Okay, betul tak ni? Alright? Okay. You might lose the game of life. Okay? So, orang dah ke depan, you still stuck at the back. Betul tak? Tunggu dah ke depan, you still lagi menunggu kat belakang. Alright. Okay. Lagi? Apa lagi? Okay. So to write time management, okay, you can actually create the time you need. You boleh cipta masa yang you perlukan, okay, and not just wait for it to come down. Tidak hanya menunggu. Okay. Alright, so by planning your time wisely, you will have more time to do more things. 24 hours, tapi you are able to do more things compared to others. Okay. You boleh buat lagi banyak benda berbanding dengan orang yang tak boleh plan masa dia. Okay, boleh. Okay. Alright, lagi tengok lagi. Alright, steps of time distribution. Okay, 3.2. Okay. So the first step apa tu? The first step apa tu? Okay, apa maksudnya tu? Relax and remain composed. Apa tu maksudnya? Tenang. Lagi? Santai. Lagi? Tenang, santai lagi. Tenang, santai, relax tu je. Chilling. Lagi? Let loose. Lagi? Okay. Alright. Know that everything cannot be achieved at the same time. You guys tak boleh buat semua benda pada masa yang sama. Betul tak? Tak boleh guys, we are humans, we've got emotions, we have feelings, kita penat, kita letih, kita ngantuk. Tak boleh buat semua benda dalam satu masa, betul kan? Okay, so macam mana? Okay, so the first step, okay, towards effectively managing your time is to take a step back. a step back, okay? And think clearly. Okay. In the sense that you have to prepare yourself first. You yang kena bertentang dulu, kena relax dulu, kena sit down dulu and jot down anything yang you kena prioritize benda apa. Okay, once you are calm, okay, bila you dah bertenang barulah you boleh fikir dengan rasionalnya. Betul tak? Okay, alright. And rushing into any situation without poise can make even the easiest task to feel impossible. Kalau you rushing je semua benda, a clump of things, benda yang banyak nak buat serentak, then the easiest task pun you akan rasa impossible. Benda yang paling senang pun you akan rasa susah. Impossible, mustahil. Boleh? Okay? Alright. Boleh ke tu? Yang online? Okay? Next one. Okay? Okay. Lagi? Number second apa tu? Point second? So a man without a plan is apa tu? Dia beritahu? Is as good as lost. Sekarang bukan hanya malu bertanya sesak jalan dah, okay? Ada plan pun sesak jalan dah. Yeah, man without a plan is as good as lost. Okay, alright. So contohlah, okay, jumping head first into a bevy of tasks, okay, is one of the quickest way to become overwhelmed. Okay, yang ni contoh clump of things kan, you nak buat semua benda serentak, you jump your head first, then of course lah you akan rasa terbeban. Okay, overwhelmed. Tak tahu lah nak buat apa, banyak sangat benda. Okay, boleh? Can you imagine that situation? Pernah jadi tak macam tu? Yes kan? Pernah kan? Jump your head first into clump of things. Okay, that's why, okay, contoh dalam writing kan, that's why you akan start dengan you punya draft first, you punya outline first. Betul tak ni? You pernah ambil kelas writing okay, you akan start dengan outline dulu, draft dulu, dan baru you come out with a better version of it. You akan start dengan outline, dengan draft. Sebab apa? Sebab kenapa you start dengan benda yang rough dulu, dengan scratch dulu, benda yang macam tu dulu? Kenapa? Why? Why? Betul? To ensure that you are on the right track, nak pastikan you ni dalam track yang betul. Okay, you follow the guidelines. Okay, you buat sikit-sikit dulu, you progress. Okay, you tak buat benda tu the whole thing first. You start dengan outline first, draft dulu, and then kalau ada salah you improvise lagi dari situ. Betul tak ni? Betul kan? Okay, sebab itulah Sama juga dengan you guys punya kerja yang banyak tu start sikit tu, progress not perfection. Okay, boleh? Boleh. Online boleh ke tak?
Ya boleh.
So you've got to clearly, construct a plan of attack, okay, before tackling your assignment. Okay, lagi. Number 3 pun penting. Apa tu number 3 guys? Apa tu number 3? Okay, yang ni bagaimana ni? Macam mana ni? Bagi tugas. Okay. Delegate assignments. Okay. One thing you have to remember guys, you tak boleh buat semua benda. Okay, group assignment, group work, tak boleh gerak seorang. You have to distribute the task. Kena bagi kerjanya tu part masing-masing. Okay, kalau you gerak seorang, penat you. Okay. Right, because some people dia akan buat kerja seorang. Ada certain people yang macam tu. Pernah tak deal dengan orang yang macam ni? Dia nak buat kerja seorang, dia semua benda dia nak buat. Pernah tak? Okay. Susah juga macam tu kan? Okay. Alright. Okay. Delegate assignments that can be done by others. Okay. It allows multiple tasks to be finished at once. Okay. Sebab banyak helping hands yang menolong tu. Nak settlekan tugasan tu. Okay. Lagi? Apa lagi tu? Okay, however, proceed with caution, okay. Be careful, alright, make sure that you properly understand which responsibilities can be trusted in the hands of others. Nak bagi tugas pun kena tengok ni, mana part dia yang dia abstract dan dia boleh, yang you rasa dia mampu. Group leader, main peranan. Okay. You don't simply distribute tugas tu tapi tengok part mana yang you rasa dia boleh contribute dan go ahead. Part mana yang you rasa dia tak strong dan bagi pada orang yang lagi capable. Okay. Boleh? Okay? Okay. Yang online okay? Okay. Alright, number 4. Apa tu number 4? Most important things first. Okay, yang ni macam mana? Bagaimana? Macam mana? Number 4 ni macam mana? Okay. Alright. Betul? Lagi? Betul? Lagi? Okay. It's time to tackle the most pressing issues kan? Yang paling urgent lah. Okay, yang paling dekat due date-nya lah. Okay, senang cerita. Okay. No matter how many items remain on your plate, tengok tu. It is imperative to handle the most important ones first. Okay. Lagi. Okay, because bila you dah settle yang paling penting, yang paling dekat due date ni, then barulah you akan rasa ada sinar di hujung dia. Betul tak ni? Okay. Okay. Pernah tak? Okay. You buat assignments before this, you dah settle satu yang besar tu, then you will feel really glad lah. Okay. Betul kan?
Sorry, bas lambat tadi.
Okay. Suara je? Ada lagi ke suara je? Okay. Settle down. Okay. Lagi tak? Okay, boleh? Boleh kan? You guys panas tak ni? Panas? I'm sweating. Panas? Okay, rasa tak ni? Rasa? Sekejap ya. Sikit lagi guys, boleh bertahan tak ni? Boleh. Belum. Okay, the last one tu apa tu? Number 5? Apa tu number 5? Apa tu? Sekejap guys, sorry lah nak buat macam ni. Okay. Plan again. Okay, plan again ni macam mana? How? Okay, how? Huh? Plan last minute? No? Plan again. Plan again. Betul. Okay. Alright, plan again. Okay, bila you dah able to scratch everything, okay, take some time. Okay, bila dah settle satu kerja je dalam sehari tu, have some time to relax lah. Boleh nak relax macam tu. Okay, that is your reward for yourself. Okay, you dah accomplish something untuk hari tu. Tapi you've got to replan lah, plan lagi untuk the next day. Okay, alright. Okay, start managing your tasks ahead of time. Okay, be prepared and ready to go the following day will help you to avoid the uneasiness, okay, and stress of finding yourself strapped in time. Daripada you stress esok harinya dan malam itu untuk esoknya you dah plan dah apa yang nak buat the whole day tomorrow tu. Okay, boleh? Boleh. Okay, lagi sikit lagi. Okay. Apa tu? The next one tu apa? Apa tu? Okay. Allocating time and building towers. Apa kaitannya ni guys? Apa kaitannya? Okay, macam mana ni? Dan ni bagaimana? A moment of silence. Yang ni macam mana? Okay. Think of your accomplishment or every single one pencapaian you tu. Okay. As a tower that you have built. Sebagai tower yang you bina. Okay. Alright. So every brick and stone has its place. Betul tak ni? You bina tower kan? Okay. Stone and brick has its own place. Kalau satu tak jadi, apa jadi tower you? Okay, betul tak? Alright. So every hour, minute and second of your life, okay, as building blocks for the tower. Macam tu, you bina-bina tower tu, it's a building block of your tower. Okay, lagi? Apa lagi? Alright. But you've got to know lah why you are building that tower. Kenapa you bina tower tu? Kenapa? Ada tujuannya, ada goals you. Kenapa you nak kena bina tower tu? Why? Okay, ada purpose you. Okay, apa lagi? Is this tower a goal of yours to build? Memang you willingly nak bina tower ni or someone else convincing you nak bina tower tu? Why? You've got to think. Okay. Boleh ke tu? Boleh. Okay, lagi sikit lagi. Tengok tu. Penting tu. If you spend contoh, you bina tower 8 hours a day, bina tower you but it's something that you don't like. Satu benda yang you tak suka tu buatnya. So apa jadi dengan tower you tu? Lousy, poor, bad, tak kuat. What's the purpose of doing something you don't like? Even it's a tall tower tapi you tak suka, you tak enjoy buat benda tu. Why? Okay. Lagi? Second tu apa tu? Second, apa tu? If you come home and do nothing to change that, you are building a lousy tower. Okay? If you spend your free time scrolling down the Facebook newsfeed, you are building a lousy tower. Betul tak? Setuju tak ni? Okay? Selain scrolling down Facebook, apa lagi yang you guys buat? Okay, lagi. Allah, ya Allah. Assalam. Lagi. Istighfar. Kasidah. Okay. Alright. So we don't want to build lousy towers. Anytime dia boleh fall down, kan? Kita tak nak bina tower yang lousy. Okay. Boleh? You try. Okay. Online tu okay ke tu? Boleh? Boleh. Okay. Alright. Okay. So okay guys, I think okay untuk the next one ni we shall proceed in our next class. Okay, sebab kepanasan kan kalian. Okay. Sekejap, before that, your attendance sebentar. Okay guys, write your attendance here. Oh, those yang kat sini boleh tulis attendance you dekat chat.